Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To maintain your Dyson hairdryer effectively, start by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a soft cloth, a small screwdriver, a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, and a can of compressed air. Firstly, unplug the hairdryer from the power source. This is a crucial safety step that cannot be overlooked. Next, use the small screwdriver to remove the rear filter cover. Be careful to keep track of the screws so you can easily reassemble it later. Once the cover is removed, you will see the filter. Carefully take it out and inspect it for any dust or debris. If it's dirty, rinse it under lukewarm water and let it dry completely before reinserting it. While you're at it, take a moment to clean the inside of the hairdryer. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to gently remove any lint or dust particles. If you're not comfortable performing these maintenance tasks yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained technicians can assess your device and provide you with the necessary guidance. Now, let's focus on the exterior. Wipe down the casing of the hairdryer using a soft cloth that is slightly dampened with water. Avoid using any harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the finish. Make sure to clean the air intake vents, as any blockage can affect performance. After cleaning, it's crucial to check the power cord for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any fraying or breaks, it's best to avoid using the device and contact a professional for repair. With our service, you can benefit from pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free to get your device repaired. Once all parts are clean and dry, reattach the filter and cover, ensuring that everything clicks back into place securely. Don't forget to replace the screws you set aside earlier. This step is often overlooked but is essential for maintaining the integrity of the device. If you're unsure about any step or lack the tools required for maintenance, we provide quotes before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect in terms of service costs without any surprises. Finally, plug the hairdryer back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, it may be time for a professional checkup. Remember, with our no calls, no travel service, you can easily set up an appointment without the hassle. Regular maintenance of your Dyson hairdryer will not only extend its lifespan but also enhance its performance, ensuring you have a reliable tool for your styling needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.